Good morning, everyone. This is Seema Prabhakaran. We'll begin our civics lesson today. Lesson number 1, Role of the Constitution and Need for Laws. First, we'll begin with necessity of rules and laws. Rules and laws are necessary for the proper functioning of an institution, society, state, or country. Every country has its own unique set of laws which aim to ensure the safety and well-being of its people. As you can see in the picture, the government is making laws that wearing of mask is compulsory, and you can see how people are violating it. Violation of the established rules and laws amounts to penalties depending upon the extent of violation. You may ask, where are these laws and rules written? The answer to this question is, rules and laws are mentioned in a written document which is known as the Constitution. So, the Constitution of a country is a collection of basic rules providing the framework for the governance of the country. The Constitution is adopted to establish governmental machinery to maintain social order and peace. Next heading is laws and dissent. What is dissent? Dissent means disagreement. Laws guarantee stability and order. Therefore, defiance of laws is not generally approved of. But during the time of Britishers, there were many laws which they made and we disagreed. Hence, defiance of law against the foreign rulers evoked tremendous response from all sections of society. One such example was of the civil disobedience movement, which involved breaking of the salt law and boycott of foreign cloth and British goods by Mahatma Gandhi. Laws are essential for smooth functioning of a society and for maintaining order in the country. However, wherever there are laws, there is bound to be dissent or oppression. Means, wherever there are laws, people may be there who disagree with it. Obeying the laws is necessary for the well-being and progress of society. But if a particular law is not in the larger interest of the people, we can convey or dissent. That means you may disagree with it. Disagreement and an expression of dissent are an integral part of the democratic system. It is for this reason that we come across a number of examples where individuals or groups of people have raised voices of dissent against many rules and regulations. However, citizens must avoid getting involved in acts of violence and should adopt peaceful means to influence the decisions of the government. That's all for today's class. Thank you and have a nice day.